Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's TechForge. In today's episode, we will learn how to scrape Facebook page profile. So let us begin. Okay guys, so we will learn how to scrape Facebook profile using Apify. It is almost similar to Instagram. Okay, so let's get into the workflow area. Click on manual trigger. Okay. Then let me start with HTTP request. Okay. Let us go to Apify store once, console.apify. Okay. Here go home, view all, and if you search Facebook, you get profile scraper, edge scraper, and so many of them, right? So let us select Facebook scraper. I think I have already set it. Yeah, Facebook page scraper. So here I have selected my own Facebook page, that is n8n Digital Solution. So I will use this one. Okay. You need to go to endpoint. Okay. Before that, I also want to show you. You need to go to settings. Then you need to go to API integration and create a token. Create a token. Say Facebook test. Now copy it. Okay, we will be needing that. Next is from the Facebook page scraper, click on API, go to endpoint. Okay, click on endpoint, come down slowly, run actor synchronously and get dataset items. Click on this and you will be landed on this page. We need to copy this curl statement. So let us copy. And here you click on post, import curl. Okay, click on import. Now everything will be copied for us. Okay, here we need to enter our actor ID. Let's delete that. How can we get our actor ID? We need to go to the page where this Facebook page scraper is there. Okay, then go to the console. After this slash, whatever code you get, that will be your ID. Select that, come here in the URL and paste it. Okay, then slowly go down. Next, we need to copy the token. The token that we have stored, previously selected and stored in Notepad. Okay, we will have to paste after bearer, one blank space you need to add. Next is you will be using JSON. Okay, Now we need to add the JSON data type. Go back to the scraper page. Yeah, I have added this 10x Digital Solutions. So I will simply click on JSON, click on copy to clipboard. Then we will paste here. Yeah, this is correct. And you just take care of this result run option. I have selected 5. Okay, let me select 5. I don't want to waste more money on this. Okay, and save it. Now let us execute once. Yeah, we got some values, right? Let us pin this data so that we can use it repeatedly while testing. Let's go back. Now we need to add it to Google Sheet. So here you can write Google Sheet, sign in, and you will be landed in the Google Sheet page. Okay, I have already created one page called Facebook EX. Now let's click here and select Google Sheet. Then click on append row in sheet. Now select your own credential. It will be sheets within a document, append row, and we have to select the file name. This is Facebook EX and it will be sheet 1 since I have not changed anything. Okay, I need not have to. Okay, this is sheet 1 is selected. Then what we need to do, yeah, sheet 1 selected, map it not manually, it should be map each column manually. Yeah, we need to select this one. Oh, yeah, very correct. Since this page is blank, nothing was selected, right? So let us first see what are the items we will use here. Let's Facebook URL. Okay, we need Facebook URL, Facebook URL, Facebook URL, then what else? Categories, product and services. If you want, yeah, let us add categories. categories, categories. Okay, then what else we would be using? Yeah, page URL. Page URL. Then yeah, let us take the email also. Then you would be needing rating, followers, following. Okay, rating, followers, following, because you would be needing those if you want to do some analytics. Okay, for this example, this would be enough. Let me save it first. Or for beautification, you can also color the background of your headers. You can do that. Make it bold. Now let's get back to this step. We will, actually I'm refreshing it. Okay, fetching the column. Now see, all those fields are available, right? Let us add each one of these. In categories, I want this one, product service. Okay, page URL. Where is that? Wait. It just went up. Page URL, email, then rating, then followers, and following. Okay, done. Let us execute this step. Yeah, not executed successfully. You see, those things are filled here. Let us execute one more times, another one more time. 3 records will be, now see, 3 records were inserted. Okay, similarly, we can also use Apify. So let us click here, Apify, click Apify, run and actor and get dataset. You have to select this one. Okay, let me see if it is correctly. Yeah, it is correct. I will be using this API key. Click on save. Yeah, this time it will be success. Now you see, whatever I have used earlier, all those actors will be available here. From this list, select Facebook page scraper. Now we have to enter the JSON inputs, right? For that, you need to go back and select this one. Okay, let us execute this. Yeah, we got the result. Let us pin this. Now, Google Sheet and click on append row in sheet. Okay, same credentials. From the list, select the file name, select the sheet name, and manually we will enter Facebook URL. From the categories products and services I want, so I have taken that. Page URL, right? Yeah, page URL. Yeah, we need this email. Then we need a rating. Then we will be needing followers and followings. Okay, let's execute it. See, there are 3 records, right? Let's execute this. One more is entered once more. Now there will be 5 records. Okay, so this is an example of scraping Facebook profile page for analytics. Okay guys, okay, so I will be saving this workflow in I will save it in Google Drive. You can just go to the description and click on join my inner circle. There will be a Google form. You have to fill that form, and immediately within few seconds you will get an email from my account and you will have my shared folder, Google Drive shared folder. From there you can download the JSONs as well as other documents that I would be periodically posting. So you can save that for your later use. Okay, guys. Okay, this is it for today. Please like, share, subscribe, and also please hit that bell icon so that it helps the channel grow. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much and have a great day.